If your trading doesn't get better after watching this video, I'll personally send you a 1 Litecoin. I am going to be doing a review of this EA called One Punch EA. Before showing you the live trades, check this out. The relative maximum drawdown of this EA after backtesting is just 10.8%. The consecutive loss is just 11 loss. A quick glance at the graphs representing the growth and performance of this EA should grab your attention. Too cute, right? Let me blow your mind. This EA does not have any martingale system. I will be quick with this review. Signal spot into. This EA works on all time frames, but we recommend trading on the 5-minute time frame. Let's load this EA. Now that the EA is active, I will take some time to explain how this EA works. Good news, any capital can be traded with this EA. It is one of the best EA you need to check out. This EA is only working on MetaTrader 4. And if you are going to be using any broker, I recommend you use Tickmill brokerage. Tickmill is a good broker you can try yourself, a fast and low spread broker. Follow this link below the description in this video to start using this broker. To get this EA, it is easy, just follow this link to my webpage or Telegram channel. Now it is time to subscribe to our YouTube channel before you miss it. If you do not want to miss any good EA, please press the notification button so you will not miss our next coming video. Please watch this video to the end and don't skip any part of this video, it will be helpful. At the end of the video, you will see a live trading account of this trading bot. Remember to share and like our videos if you find it helpful. Thanks very much.